What's up, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Training. This is March 18th, 2022. Guys, we have this 2011 Nissan Frontier that has a used computer we had to get installed in it. So I want to tell you ahead of time, I think many scan tools will do the function. I think like a Launch, Autels, I don't even know which ones will or won't. I haven't tried to Snap-on. If you guys know whether a Snap-on scan tool will do this procedure, basically reset the security and write the VIN number, let me know. You'll see here I had a little quirk that I'll talk about at the end. But guys, I want to let you know before we get started, we have these AES Wave test lead kits. These things are awesome. If you haven't seen me using these in different videos, I'm sure you have, but this is a great test lead kit every technician should have. If you're doing electrical testing and diagnostics, you should definitely have one of these. We're giving away this kit next Friday, March 25th, 2022, to any Core or Premium membership member. So if you're signed up for Core or Premium, you will be entered in to win this kit. And I have two more after this one. So a total of 3 of these we're going to be giving away. Guys, these things list out at like 250 bucks. Fantastic tool. I thank AES Wave for helping me out a bit on the price there. So make it a little more affordable for me to buy and give away. But here we go with the video. All right, everybody, here we got ourselves a 2011 Nissan. This is a Nissan Frontier with a used engine control module. Now, I told the shop that I can't not change the calibrations. I don't personally have a way of changing the calibrations from one calibration number to another. Like if you get a California versus federal, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, traction control, non-traction control, etc. The list goes on. I don't have a way of changing the calibration, so it's up to the shop to get the proper computer, and as long as we get the proper computer, we should be able to reset the security, rewrite the VIN with the Autel. This is using a 608 here. Now, from past experiences with Nissans and such, I know that I want to make sure my customer has all their keys present. I honestly don't know all the ones that have that style of security or not with a PATS, or should I say a transponder in the key, but that's the best practice in my opinion, so you don't get caught in a pickle. Now, the shop did replace the engine control module due to no communication problems. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the key to the run position, and I am looking to make sure we do have a check engine light, and we do. As you see, we do have a check engine light right in the middle there. That is a good thing. Hop into diagnostics here, and we're going to go right over to, we can click on Asian and go to Nissan. Accept, and I'm just going to make sure, first of all, that we do have communication with this vehicle. We're going to click manual selection, and this is a North American vehicle, USA, and let's see, Frontier. Pass it up, didn't I? Frontier, and I gotta be honest with you, I don't know. I think this is a D40. It's going to be a 2011, yeah, and yes. We're going to go to diagnosis, and I want to do a complete vehicle DTC scan here. That way we can be sure that we are aware of anything going on. And as this is doing it, I also wanted to point out to you that we do have a security light on the dash. Right there is our security light. Maybe hard to see on camera. And one thing we can see, we have 9 codes in our body control module as well, so that's going to be interesting. So I'm going to click on report, and it's going to show us all of our codes here. So CAN communication circuit current, engine ID discord. So we still have a CAN communication circuit code in the transmission. Lots of CAN communication circuit codes all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to just do a quick erase, and we're going to see what happens here. And after erasing all the codes, the only code we have is a fault code for the engine control module. The shop had said that they did not have communication with the engine control module before. So we're going to go into this engine control module. And the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite the VIN so we get the proper VIN number into it. And this is on the diagnostic side of the 608. So special functions and VIN registration. And I want you to see here, this is the VIN number off the vehicle, and the VIN number on in this used computer is this. So we got to go ahead and change this. We're going to go erase this out. That's good. Type it in there again, and OK. Conditional not correct, or sequence error. Okay. That's interesting. Let's try that again. Maybe I mistyped it. So we are having trouble getting this VIN written here. So I'm going to go ahead and back out of this just to see if we can get this vehicle to start and run by going interesting. I don't have anything for gnats. Let's go escape. Okay. And we're going to go back. We're going to hit up. Oh, there it was. Yeah, cancel that. Okay, so after replacing or installing and replaced ECM used part, that's us. So we're going to go ahead and hit that button. And this procedure erases all keys. So we do have all of our customer keys. We're going to hit yes. Okay, so we're going to remove the inserted key from the ignition, insert unregistered key, turn the ignition on and wait for 5 seconds and see the security indicator blink. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to remove it, place it into the keyhole, turn it to run, and the security light did blink 5 times. Turn the ignition off and wait for 3 seconds or more. And then insert this key, the next key, turn it to run. The security light is blinking 5 times and it goes out. And we'll go ahead and turn this off and hit the next button. And then insert the key, turn the ignition on. And just so you know, right now we do not have a security light. The security light was right below the check engine light down there. So that's good. And the buzzer did beep 3 times, turn the key off, and then we're going to go ahead and turn the key back to the run position. Now I don't know if by chance there's a possibility that it won't relearn the VIN when we're in this position here. You know, when I was trying to write the VIN and we were airing out, I don't know if there's a possibility that because the security light was on, that's why that was doing it. But now we do not have a security light, so the security's programmed. Let's go back in here, hit the end button, and I'm sure the key will start it. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm going to go ahead and back all the way out. Actually, I want to hit this button real quick, vehicle profile. Okay, it's a D40, so let me go ahead and back into the diagnostic side of things. And we're going to hit up, oh, wrong button. We can go into this Nissan Frontier, diagnostics. And we're going to try and write the VIN again. Maybe it won't allow the VIN to be written until it may not let the VIN be written until you have the security light out. I don't know that for a fact. I haven't come across that, but I'm just sharing with you guys as I go here. The good news is I think we're going to have a vehicle that starts and runs. That'll be great. That's what we're looking for. And special functions, I'm going to go with VIN registration, and it should probably have a VIN number from before. There's our VIN. That's first time right, okay. And then this one, okay. Command complete. Well, how about that? It did the function once we got the security done, so that's great. So the input VIN is that, and that matches the VIN number that we had taken a picture of with our cell phone. So that's perfect. Let's go ahead and hit the back button. I want to escape all the way out of this thing. I want to start a fresh session. Escape, oh, escape, yes. So, and I'm going to hit the back button here. And I'm going to hit the home button, So we can go back into diagnostics, and I want to hit the read VIN button, auto detect, and it should pop up with the VIN that ends in the 18, I believe. We're going to hit the accept button. And just so you know, that's our VIN to 422018. And there we go. We're going to hit the OK button. Fantabulous. And I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get this thing to start up and run. We're going to go ahead and take the key out, stick it in, turn the key on. You can see we have our check engine light up there, and we do not have a security light. That's great. Security light's out. And we've got ourselves a runner. So that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Now, unfortunately, like I said, if the customer has the wrong calibration IDs, we're not going to be able to change that. Even with Nissan software, I don't have a way around or a workaround for doing calibration change with the Nissan. So we got this used computer. This is the original one, all programmed up as far as the security and the VIN rights. So you see, the interesting thing with this job is I actually had to have the security redone first, and then the VIN would go in. I don't know if that's a normal thing. I can't say I've ran into that before. Maybe I usually probably just do the security to make sure I got a runner before I worry about writing the VIN, because I've done, you know, a couple dozen or so of these Nissan computers over the years, and it's a pretty easy function. So if you have any questions or comments, concerns, be sure to let me know. Check out handsonautotraining.com, and you can get signed up for the Premium Core memberships. A link is in the description. Guys, also, I've been working on my top-down videos. For those of you still watching this, I bought a top-down, and I've had it for a little over a week now. I'm working on a video montage, if you will. We're going to talk about the great, the good, the bad, and the ugly about that tool so far. So, guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.